pastry puff. To start off, what we're gonna need is 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a cup of real cold water, and a half tablespoon of butter. Bonjour tout le monde, moi bienvenue avec Chanel là. Jodi nous pral faire pâté haïtien qui vraiment facile. Ça n'a besoin c'est 3 goûts de farine, yon petit KSL, yon petit morceau beurre, yon goût de l'eau bien glacée. Okay, now we're gonna mix everything together so we can make a dough with it, and then we're gonna let our dough rest in the fridge, and then we're gonna start the process of it. N'a mélanger tout bagay ensemble. Après ça, n'a ployer, n'a mettre le poser dans frigidaire pour un petit temps. Après ça, pour commencer processus là. Now our flour is done resting in the fridge. We are going to roll our dough so we can start the process. What we're gonna need is 2 sticks of butter and 1.5 sticks of it, and then we're gonna put it in between the dough and we're gonna fold it like an envelope. So what the process of it is, roll and fold. We're gonna do that process 6 times. Every time that you roll it and you fold it, you let it rest in the fridge 15 to 20 minutes so it can relax. So you can do the same process again until we get the type of layers that we need in our patty. Pour nous commencer, n'a pral rouler farine nan, n'a pral rouler pâte farine nan, n'a mette 2 babes et demi en dedans. Après ça, n'a ployer le couper yon enveloppe, n'a fait processus ça pendant 5 ou 6 fois. N'a fait pendant 6 fois, n'a fold li, n'a roulé, n'a quitté le poser dans frigidaire pour 15 à 20 minutes. Après ça, n'a retiré, n'a refait encore, n'a fait processus ça pendant 6 fois pour pâté capable bien léger. This is our rolled and fold. This is the final step. This is how it looks after you done the dough. You can see the layers in between. Now we're gonna get our meat ready for our patty. We need 1 lime. I use green onion. I use thyme. You can use different type of pepper if you like. I use ground beef, and this is our special spice that our Haitian always made when we cooking our food. Konye la nou pral prepare viande nan pou pâté an. Ou ka wè mwen coupe zonyon, mwen gen grain citron, comme si nou wè ke mwen pral mette épices la dan. Tout haïtien gen épices sa la kayo pour nous capable faire viande mouli an. M'a mette un ti ragout la dan tout pour bali flavor. These are the different seasoning that I am using. You can use whatever seasoning that you have in your cabinet that you like. I also put some hot sauce in it also. Ça c'est bagay que moi utiliser là dans yo épices. Pour des épices que moi utiliser, ou capable utiliser n'importe pour des épices que ou même ou à l'aise pour utiliser, là toujours goût. We met on ti ragout la dan pour kabali cool. I put a little bit of ragout on it to give it color. Now our meat is done. Kounye la viande na fini. Now we're going to put it into the dough. As you can see that I cut them into small pieces. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. That's the size that I wanted, so I did it. I put the meat inside of it so I can get ready to put it under the stove. I put the stove on 350 degree. Ou capable ouais jan ke mwen couper farine nan ti morceau gen wa couper le pi gros nous pral mettre viande nan la dan pour nous capable mettre en bas four nous ouvrir four en sous 350 degrés. Make sure que ou pas mettre viande nan la dan pendant li chaud parce que la fond black fond farine now. So merci beaucoup, à la prochaine. Thank you so much for watching. This is how it looks, so juicy, so tasty. You can close your eyes biting into these patties. They are so delicious. The dough and the filling of it, homemade, so good. So if you try this recipe, please let me know, leave a comment behind. See you guys next time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.